Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Badminton Master, my name is Madizul Imam. I'm from Blackbird Class. I will make video because I didn't come in Friday in morning speaking. I want to apologize because I didn't come in Friday, and I promise I will come in morning speaking. Why I didn't come in morning speaking? Because in Friday I have agenda in Islamic school. I and my friend go to my Islamic school to follow a call. And I stay in my Islamic school 2 days until Sunday. Sunday I go back to Pare, and I didn't follow uh, morning speaking and written exam, and I forgot to make a letter in morning speaking. Just make a letter in written exam. What the material is, the lesson is why have a few friends is better than many acquaintances. The first, depth over breadth. True friendship over emotional depth. A few close friends can provide support, understanding, and loyalty in ways acquaintances cannot. When life gets dark, it's your real friends who will stand by you, not the people who only know you casually. Number two, trust and the second, trust and confidentiality. With close friends, you can share your thoughts, secrets, and vulnerability, vulnerabilities without fear or judgment or gossip. Acquaintances are less likely to respect boundaries or over the same level of trust. The third is emotional health. Studies show that strong emotional bonds contribute to mental well-being. It's not the number of people you know, but how meaningful those relationships are that impact happiness and mental health. Number 4, time and energy. Relationships require time and effort. It's better to invest deeply in a few people than to spread yourself thin trying to maintain many shallow connections. Number 5, lifelong support. Close friends and often stay in your life for decades. Talks ups and downs. Acquaintances come and go, mostly tied to temporary circumstances like school, work, or what is that? Social event. Negative side. Negative. Many acquaintances are better. The first, opportunities and networking. Having many acquaintances opens doors, whether or for career growth, learning, or life experience. Knowing a broad range of people give you access to diverse opportunities and insights. Number two, social flexibility. Social social flexibility. Different friends serve different roles. You may not need deep emotional. You may not need deep emotional support from everyone. Some people are good for fun, advice, or shared interests. A larger network allows you to match social needs with different individuals. Number third, the third is what is ingredients. Relying on just a few people can create dependency. Having many acquaintances give you freedom, not putting all emotional eggs in one basket. Number four, emergency. Help from wider network. In emergencies or alternates, a large group of acquaintances can help in unexpected ways through an information connection or even donation or support. Number five, not all friendships start deep. Many close friendships begin as acquaintance. The more people you know, the more chance you have to find someone who may eventually become a lifelong friend. And in my life, I think I choose many acquaintances because if I have a lot of acquaintances, I have a lot of many acquaintances. I will have many connection in another place. Like if you go to some place, you have a friend and you can meet your friend. If you have a few friends, just a few friends or many acquaintances, I think if you go to some place, uh, no have friend to no have friend, can you visit? And in my life, I cannot to do. We cannot make. We can make do something so fast and so quickly if we make this with many of friends. And I think the example in this place in Pare in this course, the many acquaintance better than few friends. Why? Because if we have many acquaintances, we can uh, to upgrade, may study to make like study together and maybe study together and gather in some place to get the best moment. You can play to refreshing. You can play to refreshing outings with your friend. Maybe drink coffee together and smoke together in the field or in friend's boarding house. You can ask your friend if you confused about something on duty. If you have a few friends, I think no problem. I think better many acquaintances. In CTC, the first I study in here, I silent and I didn't have friends. And I think if I in CTC I didn't have many friends. I just silent in class. I difficult. I was difficult to upgrade my knowledge. And I change my habit because I introvert in CTC, and I change my habit to uh, open out my thing, and I try to interaction with my friend, and I have a new friend in CTC, and I have many friends, and I always gather in my friend boarding house every night, maybe to study together or to play together. Because if I think if I study together is better and I study alone. Because if I study together, if I don't understand, I can ask my friend uh, like, what is this? I don't understand about adjective clause. Can you help me to uh, understand? And if we have duty in class, I and friend always to didati gather together and study together. And usually I try to micro teaching with my friend, because after I graduate from BC I will be a teacher in my somebody school, and I must to try to micro teaching. And I always come in CTC program. I don't in CTC program. I always come, never absent in CTC program. Like English speaking, I always come, and in class I always come. Maybe just 2 week today I didn't come, and I permission because I have agenda in my secondary school. And in this program today I didn't come. The first I see, and the second 3 day, no, not today. The first I sick, and the second in last week I didn't come in morning speaking and written exam. In morning speaking and written exam I didn't come because I go to Poso Kediri. I follow hall of Poso Kediri, and I don't make a letter in morning speaking. Just make letter in written exam in Saturday. I forgot to make a letter, and I said to my friend in Friday after morning speaking. And I think in this program so difficult, no easy, because I have a lot of duty like shadowing, business project, and maybe speech. And after this I will go to Borobudur, to Yogyakarta to travel exam. And now I have uh, just have only have a duty, or only have a shadowing, and I just shadowing, I think, because I speech in next week, and I perform business project in 30 July. I get the first perform. I never expect I can study in here, because before I study in here I take a major in my university, sport education, and now I I am semester 4, and before I study in here in my Islamic boarding school, I was a manager by bakery, and I didn't expect I can study in here. I study in here. Before I study in here, I just had 1 day to prepare before go to Pare. My teacher said to me, Thursday night and Friday afternoon I go to this place. I so confused. Why? Because before Ramadan, in Ramadan I have a lot of duty in my bakery, in my secondary school. I have lots of delivery from consumer, maybe 100 for 1,100 bakery. And I said to my friend suddenly, and my friend said to me, "What do you mean? What do you mean?" I can say to me, if you said to me, if you will go to Pare in after Ramadan, not before Ramadan. I said I don't know, because my teacher asked to me that I must go to Pare in before Ramadan. Why? Because the schedule is before Ramadan, no after Ramadan. And my friend is so confused, because suddenly I go to this place and I didn't prepare to help my friend in Reddit Wiki. After this, I and my friend sit together in front of my Reddit Wiki and conversation until 3 p.m. maybe. Just I and my friend story about I help my friend to be manager in Reddit Bakery, and my friend, I don't know, I don't understand about the manager. I cannot to be a manager. And I said to her, and I said to his, it's no problem. It is the first you was a manager. If you maybe after 1 month or 2 months you can. You must try. Cannot nervous. Must strong. Hey, what do you mean? It's not problem. If you nervous, if you don't believe yourself, you cannot. I think you cannot will be a manager. You must believe yourself. If you can and can. And my teacher said to me, after you graduate from BEC, you will be a teacher in junior high school and senior high school. And I must change. Said to me, and I must change. And I must make a new concept in Islamic boarding school. Like I make a course in Islamic boarding school, and I make a can English in my Islamic boarding school. Maybe 30 people or 40 people in one class, like 40 people from junior high school and 40 people at senior high school. I got this place with my friend, just one of friend in my Islamic school, and he sang with me. He didn't come in morning speaking, and but he make a letter. I don't make a letter. I have many duty in my body school. After this, I must change concept in my Islamic school. Like maybe I will make concept same with BC. Must speak English. If don't speak English, get punishment. My school, I will make this concept maybe after study 2 months. All of student in secondary school must speak English. If don't speak English, get punishment. And I think study in BC is uh, the best because so discipline like and the role is good and I have a lot of lesson uh, like the first I study here I don't understand about grammar I don't understand I don't know about grammar pronunciation and another in English. I study in here, start from zero. I just know I, you, they, you, like that maybe, and now I know about adjective clause, gerund, and grammar. I know out of grammar 16, and maybe conditional sentence like that. And I can speak English. I didn't expect I can speak English because in senior high school I always absent. I absent for 3 months maybe. 3 months I didn't come. 3 months I didn't come in senior high school. Just only English. And my teacher in senior high school uh, call my parents to come in senior high school because I always absent just in English. And in 8th I go to my teacher home of my teacher in Guinea, and he asked to me, "Where are you now?" And I said, "I study English in Paris." He shocked. He shocked. He was shocked. Uh, are you sure? He said, "Are you sure I study English in Paris?" I don't believe you. I said, "Why? You always absent in my class. Didn't come in my class. And now you study in Paris. If you study in Paris, it's good. You must get the maximum of studying English. If you study English in Paris, you must study seriously. Cannot play. Just uh, play in Paris. Maybe just holiday. You must seriously to study English." I answered yes. I seriously because my teacher asked me I will be a teacher after I graduate from BC. And the all of my salary is from secondary school. Just to buy it maybe and another uh, from myself and the salary out of course senior from my summer boarding school. I study in senior high school. The first is the first is 2015, and I just study until morning, and I start from uh, Maghrib. I just study night after until subuh, and after this I go back to my home. And in 2020 I stay in Islamic Boarding School until now. maybe 44 five years I stay in Islamic boarding school. Don't go back to my home. In my Islamic boarding school, I have two memorable moments. The first, I was delegation to study about business in Semarang. I study business in Semarang just alone. I study in Semarang 1 week, and all of salary from government. My Islamic boarding school get one of people go to Semarang, and in Islamic boarding school choose me to go to Semarang. In Semarang, I study lots of lesson about business, like maybe how to manage time, how to upgrade SDM, and how to upgrade our business, like SWOT. We must understand about SWOT and like strength, weakness, and another. And the most important is how to manage time and how to manage your member in your business, and like how to interest consumer, and if you get a problem, how to and the second, I go to Bandung, West Java, to follow what is that, I forgot. I follow national, what is the name, I forgot. National Expo of Islamic boarding school, and I bring my product. My product is Maulid Bakery. I bring Maulid Bakery go to Bandung, and these events from the government releases and the government came in my stand and buy my product. I follow expo in Bandung for 1 week, same with in Semarang 1 week. In Bandung, I not alone, with my friend, one of my friend in my secondary school. In Bandung, a lot of Shen and Islamic boarding school. I think I forgot how many Islamic boarding school follow expo in Bandung. 60 Islamic boarding school follow expo national of Islamic boarding school in Bandung, From S Java maybe. Oh, Lirboyo, you know Lirboyo. Cyber School Lirboyo follow this expo, and Lirboyo Cyber School bring same with my product is Maverik Bakery is Lirboyo Bakery, no Maverik Bakery. Bring product of bakery. Just it maybe. I promise I will come in morning speaking, and if I don't come, I will make letter and give a reason. I apologize because I don't make letter and I didn't come in Friday. So I don't know, but my thing I forgot because what is that? I forgot. Just it maybe. If I have a mistake, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.